Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can access your Raspberry Pi from anywhere in the world. All you need to do is type Remote.it in the Google, click on download and click Mac, Windows or Linux as per your operating system requirement. I have Mac, so I'm going for the Mac. Here you can download the software according to your CPU. I have the Silicon one. If you have Intel, you can download this one. I'm going for this one. Once the application is installed, we can find it from application and we can open it. Okay, so the first phase is finished here. Our application is installed in our operating system inside our computer. Now the second part is we need to install the same application in Raspberry Pi. How we can do it? Let's go step by step. Okay, now instead of Windows or Mac, you just need to select the Raspberry Pi. Okay, in this guideline you can see that it's suggesting that we first need to sign up, so we can click on here. I already made my account here, so I am directly logged in, but if you haven't created an account, you will need to create the account and then you will need to log in. If you click on the add device, you will see these various options here. We will click on the Raspberry Pi here. We'll click on Raspberry Pi Remote Access. Now you can see it's giving us a command that we need to paste this command on our Raspberry Pi. So we'll copy this command and now jump back to our Raspberry Pi. You can access your Raspberry Pi using SSH. I'm going to access my Raspberry Pi with my username and password. Now we are going to hit the command that we have got. We are going to hit it. It's going to do its process. It'll take a while. Everything is installed here. Now our Raspberry Pi is ready. We can see some CPU uses. If we just want to monitor that how much CPU uses it takes the minimum. Now we can see that the new Raspberry Pi device is available in our account inside the Remote.it website. Now we just need to click on the connect. We will need to provide our Raspberry Pi SSH username, which is in my case it's Pi. As you can see, it's asking me for the fingerprint. I'll say yes. Now it's asking my password, which is my SSH password, and now you can see that I am connected with my Raspberry Pi, but this connection is not using the local network, it's over the internet. That means you can access your Pi from anywhere in the world. Now guys, apart from this SSH connection, the next thing we can do here is access our Raspberry Pi localhost project over the internet using the HTTP connection. This is really interesting and I'm going to show you how we can do it. So first of all, we'll create a small webcam script on our Raspberry Pi. We are gonna create nano test webcam.py. In this, we are going to paste a small script. This script, as you can see, what we are doing here using the CV2, we are capturing the webcam frames and then we are displaying that webcam frames using this HTML code, and then we are running this project on a local host using 5000 port number. If you need this script, I'm going to paste the link into the description. Let's press Ctrl O, enter and Ctrl X. Now we can run this script, Python test webcam.py. So the server is now running and we can access our webcam using this URL. So we can just copy this URL from here and paste it in our web browser. As you can see, this is our webcam and this is our HTML design. Now we are accessing this stream right now using our IP address and port number. So this is a localhost connection, but we want to access this over the internet. So let's just go to our Remote.it app, create a new service, click here, click on HTTP, and here we will paste this URL, our Raspberry Pi IP address and 5000. You can also replace this with the localhost so that if your Raspberry Pi changes the IP address, you don't need to worry about that. Now we are going to rename this server as a webcam test Python server. This is just a name. You can name anything. This is what I'm going to name it. Nothing else you will need to do here. Just press the save button. In a few seconds we will be able to see the connect button here. As you can see, we are now accessing this same webcam and our HTML design using our Python server over the internet. So you can simply share this URL with anybody and they can access your stream, your project, your server, anything that you want to host on your Raspberry Pi. Anybody can access if you will provide this URL to them. And the best thing about this Remote.it services is whenever your Raspberry Pi comes online, it will send you a notification. If you want to modify something on your Raspberry, let's say your code, your server, anything, then use the HHS. And if you want to access your project over the internet, then use this HTTP. This is really interesting and fascinating because you can literally access your Raspberry Pi, modify your Raspberry Pi from anywhere into the world when your Raspberry Pi comes online. So that's it in this video, guys. If you like this kind of tutorials, please hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.